So we're supposed to be going or playing with kids today, but it's starting to rain. There's a big storm coming in. I don't know if we're gonna get a chance to have much fun playing outside today, but
Simba don't care.
Simba's digging it. Billy's willing to tough it out. But I think today, house visits were amazing, and we just got to spend an hour and a half talking with Mama Jael about her life and what she's been through. And like Dan said, I think that was our ministry today. So rain or shine, Simba's digging it. We did good work today. Peace.